Hi, good morning. This is Mel. In this video, I will do two repottings. I found another Jacaranda tree and a Redwood tree. It's the Sequoia serpembrans. Please watch the video. Thank you. I found another Jacaranda tree at the nursery. The main trunk was already cut off, and there was like some few branches that are growing, and I already cut them off. It has a good base, and I think this will be really nice in the future. So here I go again. I was able to remove the tree from the nursery pot easily, and now ready to remove the big root ball with my cordless saw. There was a big taproot, but my saw blade is brand new, so this is easy. So now we will reduce the root ball so it will fit the pot. I found a really nice red pot for it. I've been waiting for a tree for this pot. Again, thorough watering after a repot. And here is the Redwood tree, or the Sequoia sempervirens. The redwood tree is a very strong tree. I have no problem repotting this tree, and they're a fast grower. This has a lot of growth. There's a lot of branches. They're young, but in a few years they grow fast and they lignify fast too. It has a nice base, nice trunk, and the branches are new, so I will have no problem designing it or wiring it. And like I said, in a few years I will have no problem getting a very nice branches from this tree. And here is the Jacaranda tree. Those two branches at the bottom, I may be removing it in the future, but right now I want to see how they grow, and I want to see how it will look before I remove it. If it has good branches and develop a nice ramification, then I'll maybe leave it there, but most probably I'm gonna remove it. And here's the redwood tree. There are so many young branches that I can choose from in the future, but right now I'm gonna let them grow and see what I can get out of it. And here they are. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you like it, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.